Hello students, this is your review for Exam 4 covering Chapter 12 for Math 0305. Chapter 12 covered rules of exponents, an introduction to polynomials, add and subtract polynomials, multiply polynomials, patterns in multiplying polynomials, and dividing polynomials. On the next page, let's review some of the rules of exponents that we need to be familiar with in this first section. One rule of exponents is x to the 0 power. Something to the 0 power is 1, and we explained that rule pretty well in class, why that is. X to the 1 power is x. If we multiply same bases with different powers, we get one base with the exponents added. If we divide same bases with different powers, we get one base with those exponents subtracted. If we have one base raised to 1 power and then another, we get that base with those exponents multiplied. If we have a product raised to a power, each factor in the product is raised to that power. If we have a product that also has exponents raised to a power, each factor in the product gets the new power, so we're now using the power rule more than one time where we multiply the exponents. So x gets the m times p power and y gets the n times p power. Another rule of exponents has to do with negative exponents. X to the negative m power becomes 1 over x to the positive m power. In reverse, if we have 1 over x to the negative m power, that can become x to the positive m power over 1 using the reciprocals, which would just be x to the m power. If I have a fraction, or a quotient we call that, raised to a power, the numerator and denominator are raised to the power. If I have a fraction or a quotient raised to a negative power, we're going to use the reciprocal of the fraction to turn the negative exponent positive, and then we would follow this rule here. The numerator gets the power and the denominator gets the power. Okay, that covers the rule of exponents. We will have several examples where we use these rules. You could refer back to these rules. You should have these in your notes as well.